It is turning out to be a little bit horrible for me. It's not looking good. I will not wear it anywhere. But okay, so for the next step, it's of course our concealer. Take your beauty blender and blend it. I will be going a little bit heavier today because I'm wearing good clothes, so now whatever is left, just dab it all over your face. Now for this makeup tutorial, I will be applying my foundation because obviously we are going a little bit heavier. Before applying foundation, I will be taking lighter shade concealer and just brighten up the area. I will be taking my foundation, just a pump of my foundation, just this much, and I will be applying where I have not concealed, okay? That's it. Bas. Nice. Now whatever is left, just dab it on your forehead. Now for the next step, of course, setting your face. Now this is a little bit different. I will be baking my face. What I will be doing, I will just baking my face. Just to give it a good sharp edge, okay? I will be leaving this and then I will be cleaning it up. So for the next step, of course, our eyeshadow. I will be taking this shade right here and just going to blend this all over my eyes. मेरा shooting चल रहा है. I will be going with this shade and then I will be blending it all over my eyes. How my eyes would look. I will just dust off the powder. You can skip this step if you don't like baking, but it works for me. See, it is giving me a good sharp edge, and then I will continue with my eyes. I'll just bring and build this color so that it looks more beautiful. Now for my cheek, I will be going with coral color. I'll be going with this shade. Take your blush upward, okay? Just blend it, take time, blend the product, and only then you can see the results, okay you guys? Now in person it looks really horrible. So I will be applying a little bit of foundation to just settle this. See, you can apply a lot of blush and go out, because in the end of the day your blush is going to come off. But I'm not a blush girl, that's the reason I don't like a lot of blush. But if you want this to be more natural, if you are applying a pink blush and you want it to be more natural and make it look like the glow which is coming,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना।
the color which is coming is actually from inside, you can apply foundation on top of it, okay? My blush is not even visible, I guess. Yeah, it is not visible, but it looks good in person. Then I will be going with my nose a little bit. Okay, so for the next step, I will be taking my kajal. I will be going a little bit lower, okay? Because I don't want to coat my pink color on my lower lash line. I don't like it simply, that's why. This is how it would probably look. Why am I looking so horrible? Now this is a kind of smoky effect because I'm going a little bit lower with my kajal. If you don't want, you can obviously skip this step. It is turning out to be a little bit horrible for me, I guess. Then I will be going with my mascara. This is how it would look. Now you can obviously go with your makeup fixer after using all the powder product. Let this dry and then we will go with our lipstick. I think I should just add a little bit bronzer in my eyelid.
Okay.
So for my lipstick, I will be taking this coral shade right here and just line my lips. Just go a little bit lower so that you get a good pouty look. Now I will be going with this fiery shade right here. I'll just show you the swatch. This is how my lips would look. It's not looking good. I will be using my brown color just to neutralize what I have applied. This is how my lips would look. Then of course it's our highlighter. This is how my makeup turned out to be. Now I will just be going with my makeup fixer. I don't know if it's looking good or not, but yeah, I will not wear it anywhere, but apply a little bit on my eyelids also so that it just melts off.
तक दिमी तक झण तक दिमी